Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by gathering prerequisites and making the first calls. Create an account, register your website as an application, and obtain an API key or OAuth 2 client ID. Once done, whitelist your domain and set the callback URL so responses return correctly. Make sure to configure CORS and restrict the key to your origin to reduce exposure. Now test a simple GET request in a REST client so you confirm credentials work before embedding code in your site. Next, integrate calls into your front-end or back-end. In the browser, use Fetch or Axios and attach authentication headers. On the server, keep secrets out of client code. Once the request is sent, parse JSON responses and update the DOM or your app state so users see results immediately. Make sure to implement retries and exponential backoff for transient failures, and store refresh tokens securely so you can obtain new access tokens without forcing relogin. Finish by securing and deploying your integration. Move API secrets to server environment variables and expose only safe proxy endpoints to the client so keys never leak. Once deployed, monitor usage and error logs and set quotas to avoid unexpected bills. If a call fails, present a graceful fallback UI and retry logic so users aren't blocked. Troubleshooting tip: if endpoints fail, check CORS, verify token scopes, and replay the request in a REST tool to isolate auth versus payload errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.